Hi guys, I am Dr. Zainab Vora and I have with me Dr. Deepika who has secured an amazing rank 43 in this year's NEET PG exam. So proud of you. And how are you? How has it been? How are you feeling? I know it was a very a tough journey for you guys this time, and then the end is beautiful. And I think that is what matters at the end of the day. So how are you feeling?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm feeling very happy and very overwhelmed right now. But it's been like 4 to 5 days, so the feeling is okay. Now I'm living with it.
You're living with the joy and the happiness. Amazing. So tell us about yourself. How was MBBS for you? Were you a topper, studious student? What were the sources?
Ma'am, actually, I was like an average student. I used to study every day, but not like study. I used to enjoy myself also and attended my clinics and postings as well. So I started preparing from my internship. I'm from King George's Medical University, and so my internship began in April. It was very hectic initially. Surgery and medicine postings were there. From August, I started like making notes. I did it from the main videos itself, from the source which I was following. So I'm not doing any any form of question bank or so, but I was giving from the very start. So I was confident the GT scores were okay. So I was very confident that I would get a rank of about 2,000-3,000. So I was preparing for that only.
Yeah.
Same source and giving GTs from the same source only. So it was very familiar and I was getting a good rank also.
Yeah.
So when I get my NEET 2023 attempt, the first 20 questions were like, I did not know the answer to them. So I got panicked and did not know how to handle that because the situation was unfamiliar for me. So I did very bad in that exam and got a rank of 19,000. So the day the results were announced, I was very heartbroken that I had put in so much of efforts and it did not turn out well. But my friend Rohan, he told me, no, this is not how your story ends. So from the day my result was announced, like 10:30 at night, I saw your first video that day only. The R and MM kitties, someone had sent the link of all the videos for. So I had started preparing from that day only. So I saw your molecular biology video, and for 2 months only I started using that only. I did not feel like studying anything else, so I just watched video passively. Then BTR was announced just a few weeks before the INI set. So yeah, I bought that. Like I bought it initially for my brother, then I took it from him. So from some of the videos I could view before my May INI set, and I got a rank of 2,700. So I was like, with this rank, I can continue preparing. So then I followed BTR religiously. You told us to study this, complete this by time. So gave all the ANDs, gave all the BTR tests, and reviewed it like you said. Studied for 4 hours, then took a break. Then the pattern you told me, I just religiously followed it at it.
Amazing. Like I mean, it is one thing to say and one thing to believe, trust and follow, I mean, that is where the real challenge lies. You make it sound very easy, but doing it, I think, is the toughest part because there are so many thoughts in our head, One is the FOMO that ye bhi karna hai, ye bhi karna hai. The other is the constant pressure and the negativity which this journey intrinsically has. And the third part is the postponements, the preponements, the uncertainty of the exam. So there are so many confounding factors that even if there is somebody to guide you, it is difficult to follow, in today's day and age, that is how it has become. So kudos to you in doing that, So a lot of credit goes into your consistency, I believe, and your self-belief, because sometimes when we have prepared and we are confident of ourselves, the belief does get shattered, So that is what would have happened 1 year back. And to bounce back with a 43 rank, from 19,000 is amazing. Not there are very few countable examples who have had such a journey. So I think you are an inspiration to so many people who are disappointed today, with their result. So I think your journey shows that if you stay confident, have self belief, anything is possible. So amazingly done. If we talk about your GTs also, how was the graph like? So you were anyways doing well previously also, even with a bad NEET result, your GT scores were good. So then how did you take GTs? How did you review them, and what was your frequency like?
And first of all, I realized that giving GT from one won't help me. So yeah, I just
True.
some of the free like GTs.
Yeah.
I started giving them, and I gave like initially twice a month, every 14 days, and then once a week, but
Okay.
not more than that. And I used to review it on the same day. And first, I used to review all the correct questions, then incorrect questions, and then correct questions. And
Right.
then my initial score was like, matlab it was on an increasing trend only. PTR, the volatile stuff I used to get wrong initially, got
Yeah.
improved with time. And the ENDs, you told us how to eliminate options. यार ये तो ऐसे हो जाता है, इसमें पढ़ने की क्या जरूरत थी? So that all helped me a lot during my final exam.
Yeah, I think ultimately, end of the day, once you develop that confidence, know that I can solve any MCQ you give me using just elimination and whatever knowledge I have, I think you are set up to do very well in the exam. So that is the point where we want students to reach, that you have confidence in MCQ solving, not in your content. I think that's a very important difference that a student has to realize, which you just brought out, that learn how to solve questions, do enough practice that you are that confident. How was the exam for you? Which shift?
Shift one.
Shift. Right.
Yes.
How
I'm-
was it?
My the first set which I got was like 40 questions, and I knew all the 40 questions. So it was very
Yeah.
and I felt the paper was easy. But then when subsequent sets came, I came to know, no, this is not very easy. So yeah, ruling out, and BTR direct one-liners were there from. So I was very confident कि नहीं ठीक गया है. But everyone was telling कि बहुत tough है, and I did not know कि कैसा गया है. So finally, when the results came, I finally found that.
Amazing. I think again goes back to the confidence you had from the first set, which kind of carries. So if you have a good set, if you have even a good 5 MCQ in a row, I think that that definitely improves your exam drastically. Having said that, agar 5 MCQs खराब आ गए, don't let it affect. I think that's very important कि खराब एक साथ भी आएंगे, which must have happened with you also, in the middle part. Right. So if you have to now advise your juniors, you've had a remarkable journey now. So somebody like you who's not happy with their result today, how would you ask them to plan the next 1 year? Should they give INICT? That's also another question. Should we attempt INICT? What is your take on that?
Definitely. Every exam you should take, every next exam you should take as your main exam, and just give it religiously and like with all the discipline. And everyone should follow the schedule that you give. Like it's so good. It has everything like multiple revisions, time to do MCQs and PYQs. So it's a whole thing which is like today's trend. You have to have a mixed bag of questions. You should know how to solve easy questions, difficult questions. So your ENDs definitely help in that. So everyone should follow BTR religiously, I would say.
Amazing. I think, again, very good advices is familiarize yourself with a lot of questions, lot of platforms. I think today there are so many good platforms and everybody does give free GTs, very regularly. Do that. You don't even have to pay money, So try and do as many questions, different questions said by different people. I think that really helps. Great, Deepika. Was lovely talking to you. Please give my regards to your family as well. I'm sure they're very, very proud of you.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Final shout out to friends, family, whatever.
Yes, definitely. First of all, Almighty, because without their blessing, it wouldn't have been possible. Then my parents were very supportive throughout the journey. I told them I want to work. If you want me to work, I can work. So they were like, no, prepare well. My brother was there. Just when BTR borrow kiya tha, so definitely.
Yeah.
And my friends, like you told ki FMT में कि snakes MBBS के friends हो. That was the case of mine. My friends were so supportive, like Divya, Rohan, Suraya, Shruti, and everyone was like so supportive. Angela, without them, I couldn't have done this. So yeah, and
Amazing.
obviously I'm you. Obviously,
Thank you.
I can't thank you enough for everything.
You don't have to thank me. The way you have had your journey. I think that is remarkable, and I take a lot of pride in that. So amazing, and wishing you all the very best. Yes. Go on.
Literally holding my hand and just dragging me through this journey because it was quite a long journey. So yeah, I would definitely believe in that.
Thank you so much. All the very best for whatever branch that you choose to pick up. You have a lot of options, so choose carefully, and give it your best shot. And I'm 100% sure you are gonna do amazingly well.
So much, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.